look down on top of our left, we have the remarkable mountain range. That mountain range has a little bit of a natural compass. What I mean by that is it does run due north to south. Paracots, they may look familiar to you, they're quite famous mountains, they're featured in Lord of the Rings.